mystery. That's right, a mystery. Like a really big question where we have to look for clues and figure out the answer. And a super big mystery needs us, the super readers. We need to call the rest of the super
A child abduction emergency has been issued for the city of Fort Worth. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Fort Worth Police Department. Officers are looking for a 10-year-old boy named Daniel. Daniel has white skin, has brown hair, and brown eyes. He was last seen at a trailer park named Summit Oaks wearing pajamas that has Sonic the Hedgehog on it. The description of the kidnapper is unknown at this time, but we have confirmed that the suspect has no vehicle whatsoever. If you've seen Daniel or the suspect, call 911 immediately.
super readers. Call them with me. Say, calling all super readers. Calling all super readers. To the book club. To the book club. Come on, to the book club.
Shelter-in-place warning for the Metroplex. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Dallas-Fort Worth Police Department. Everyone that is in the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area, return to your homes immediately. At approximately 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, police has spotted a strange unknown creature breaking into people's homes, kidnapping kids, and disappearing with the kids. Everyone must remain indoors at all costs. Lock all doors, cover or barricade all windows, turn off all lights, and remain silent. The description of this creature is currently unknown at this time. Due to this situation, curfews are now implemented in the area. Residents must be at home by 9 p.m. and must not leave until 6 a.m. the following morning. Violators of this curfew will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this situation. Return to your homes now.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Fox News. I'm your host Jeff, and we got breaking news. As y'all may know, there is a strange creature kidnapping kids, and also has the ability to disappear. This might be the reason why Daniel can't be found. The whole Metroplex has been implemented by some sort of martial law or curfew. At this time, you should remain indoors and not to go outdoors until 6 a.m. The future is very uncertain.
Jeff, I'm sorry for the interruption, but this is really important.
Really? What is it that is so important?
Well, according to social media, an individual managed to take a picture of the entity that's going around. This is what the full body of the entity looks like.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm not sure what to say, but I believe that this entity has a similar appearance as that one gacha tuber named Gabriel the Elemental Saiyan, but this one looks evil. My advice for all of y'all is to secure your house completely, as we are not sure if this entity can pose a real threat to humanity. I wish y'all good luck on trying to survive. Stay tuned on this channel for more information. ALR. Did you get him?
Yes. He is in the negotiation room.
ALR. Sir, can you tell me your name?
Looney.
Is it true that you are the owner of Gacha?
Yes.
Do you know anything about the EXE virus?
Yes.
Tell us more about it.
Well, it's a virus that manages to possess any gacha characters. Once it possesses a character, it goes to the human world. I don't know how it was caused, but I think it was from a hacker. The EXE virus has the ability to steal souls, and once it has enough souls, its next ability is to summon a demonic asteroid, possibly ending humanity.
Wait, what?
Are you freaking serious?
Yes.
Well, it's only a matter of time before the world ends. We need to find a way to eliminate this virus, or else all humanity is doomed. We don't have much time.
My plan is going well. I just need a few more souls. Once I get enough souls, humanity is doomed. Get ready, humans. Or should I say mortals? The end is just near. This is only the beginning. I would be aware if I were you.
Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Fort Worth Emergency Response Team. Just a few seconds ago, an explosion has occurred in a trailer park named Summit Oaks. The trailer number 064 has exploded from an unknown cause. Also, the firefighters had seen something that was absolutely horrible. The person who lived in trailer 064 is somehow chopped in half, eyes popped out, and their organs spilled on the floor. Officers are trying to figure out how this happened. Due to this happening, martial law could possibly be in effect for the Metroplex, or in other words, the whole United States. People are saying that the entity that is pictured in social media is causing this, but it can't be confirmed at this time. All residents are advised to not go outside for any reason at all. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Stay indoors at all costs. Stay tuned to media outlets for information on this dangerous situation. local area emergency. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Please pay close attention to this message, as it could save your life from danger. At approximately 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, NASA has seen an unknown phenomenon happening with the moon. A lunar eclipse has started, and an unknown ambient sound came from the moon. When the unknown ambient sound occurred, officers have spotted other demonic creatures. It's confirmed that the unknown ambience is the reason why this is happening. These demonic creatures came from the victims that this entity killed. People are saying that the EXE virus got one of the characters from Gacha Club. The character's name is Gabriel. Since the virus got the character, its name is now Gabriel.EXE because people are calling it that. All residents are advised to stay indoors and do not listen to any ambience that occurs. NASA also confirmed that if you listen to the ambient sound or look at the blood moon, you have a possible chance on getting possessed. Once you get possessed, your soul belongs to Gabriel.EXE for eternity. To protect your life, find any that can cover your ears like headphones. Martial law is now declared in the whole United States. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a global-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. 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 We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions and details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this global emergency message. This message has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and updates for your area. This is Fox News. We will continue to serve the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area. If you're not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing updates for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergencies only. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or his representatives, will be speaking shortly.
Hello, my fellow Americans. I'm one of the President's representatives, as the President is currently being taken to an undisclosed location. I will be reading this clearly for you all, so please pay attention. The following message is being transmitted at the request of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I'll say it again, this is not a test. A global emergency has been declared for the entire United States. At 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Gabriel.EXE now has enough souls, and now the world is coming to an end. Since he has enough souls, the demonic creatures now have the ability to fly. The United States military is trying their best to stop them, and another thing is that NASA has detected a demonic asteroid, and it will impact Earth within 2.5 hours. This asteroid has the ability to obliterate the state of Texas, and the whole planet. All residents are advised to seek an underground or fallout shelter immediately. Grab some supplies like food, water, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Everyone just needs to find any sturdy shelter and pray. Once this situation is over, we will rebuild our nation and be the greater American. May God bless you all and the United States of America.
That was the President of the United States, one of his representatives. The President is unable to speak due to this situation ongoing. Everyone that is in the United States, find any shelter that can protect your life. Once you've done so, gather with your friends, pets, family members or loved ones, share your final moments, and grace for impact. We will now conclude this message with one final play of the national anthem. Goodbye, and God bless the United States of America.